We are fast approaching Optima and working on details while our dogs go hunt lizards in the old horse corrals. Goobers. So part of that is redoing the rear seat delete in thinner plywood. So we went from 3/4 inch to 1/2 inch. And then we're also having it so we can get it in and out without taking the turkeys out. 'Cause, yeah, we have to take the turkeys out in order to do anything with the rear seat delete. Now that we have the Lifeline fire suppression system back there, it would be nice to just have access to it and not have to take everything out. So that's what we're working on today. 2 days until we leave on vacation. I like your lightweight holes you made.
Big counts.
The new foot fits next to the fire suppression.
Yeah.
So what do you think tomorrow we just get her all covered up? In about a full day last night and today, we finished cutting out the rear seat delete into 2 pieces. And the reason we did that, well, we did the rear seat delete because we actually do bring the dogs with us once in a while. And let's be fair, with this here, you're not having passengers in the back. It would be ridiculously uncomfortable. So, but it used to be one piece. When the Kirkies went into the Chevelle, it became very difficult to get them out, or to get the panel out if we needed it out. And we also added that little red bottle down there, which is a Lifeline fire suppression system. So in order to be able to service the fire suppression system or just get to anything we need in the future, we made it into 2 panels, and we can actually get the panels in and out with the seats in, albeit difficultly, but yeah. So 2 pieces, lighter weight than originally, and that's one less project on the list. We are getting scary close. We actually fly out of town tomorrow to go visit my parents. It's a pre-planned trip that we had. We weren't exactly expecting the Chevelle to take as long as it did, so yeah. Somebody's incredibly thrilled right there. That guy right there, super thrilled about how long this process has taken. But
I think you can do it again in a couple of years.
yeah, I'll talk about that in a bit. But we are not done. When we get back next Wednesday, the car is due for, oh God, a couple of things. The car is back-to-back Thursday, Friday, Saturday, maybe Monday, I'm not sure. On top of us buttoning everything up and packing and getting ready to go to Mike's very first Optima with his beautiful blue mistress. So yeah, almost there. We are just about off to the glass guy to get the rear glass put in, the car retinted. Tell my dog off. Getting super close to Optima. Stop and talk about how great of a job RPM detailing did on finishing out the Chevelle. Whew, good Lord. Wait until she's fully in the sun. We got not just a detailing done, but the bottom is lined now with that 3M to help protect the paint a little bit. It's still time for a storm to roll in. We're trying to get her in the garage. Central Arizona, RPM detailing, he is the man. He's out of Casa Grande. I couldn't be happier with how the car looks right now. Good Lord. Thanks, dude. You did awesome. I'll link his info below. Well, now we need to get her tucked away before today's monsoon shows up. A couple days till Optima. We were going to get her Cerakoted, but we decided not to get her Cerakoted because we've been having extensive issues with the paint adhering to the sealer. So it's flaking off if it's stressed too much, which is incredibly frustrating, and we don't know why it did that. Or is doing that, I guess you should say. But obviously we're way too late in the game to repaint now. Gutted for Mike because he put a lot of time and effort into it, but man, shit happens sometimes. Incredibly proud of the work. God, it looks good. So we'll get through another project or two or three